Hi friends, today we can see what is a parameter and what is the select option. I am fully explained what is parameter, what is select options. So watch fully, don't skip. I am upload more videos coming days detailed. Parameter is nothing but it is a get the single input data variable at runtime. Okay, this is the parameter. I can give p underscore kunr type kunr. This is the parameter I can declare. So now I am activate and execute. This is the parameter. A text field, single text field. Okay, now we can give the single input data. Yeah, this is the data. I can give the single input data variable. Okay, at runtime. This is called parameter. And it is used to define checkboxes, radio buttons, and single input fields. Okay, so and the type like keyword we can use for the parameter type. This is the keyword called a parameter. And like also I am uncomment this and detail explained. Yeah, this is the where condition. Yes, the operator equal to is used to the where condition. Select a single star from Kn into work area Kn where Kn equal to is the operator for used for parameter p underscore Kn. Okay, and it is input data variable, single input data variable. Okay, now I am activate and execute. I can give the data variable, single input data variable. Execute it. I can get the output for KUNNR value for which I am declared the fields for the program KUNNR land D1 name 1. This is the fields I can declare for KNU1. I can get it these fields for I am using the parameter. Yeah, this is a parameter. And select options. Next we can see the select options. Select options is nothing but we can get single and range level inputs. When we can declare the select options, we can use the table name for the field. MATNR is the field of the Mara table. So I am declared the table name in the select option. Okay, this is the select options for SMATNR per Mara MATNR. Now activate and execute it. Yeah, this is the text field for the select options. Comparatively, parameter is a single data input variable and I can get the single text field, but select option comparatively I can get two text fields and I can have the multiple selection also. This is the one of the feature for select options. Select single values, select range level, and exclude single values and exclude ranges. These are the benefit for the select options, and select options as acts like an internal table. And the components of the select options is sign, option, low, high. This is the components of the select options. I uncomment this. Yeah, this is the select option. I can use to for keyword parameter. I'm used comparatively type and like. Parameter acts like a single data input variable. Select options acts like a single and range level inputs. And select options used the where condition. We can use in. Okay, in is an operator we can use to for the select options. Comparatively parameter we can use to equal to. Okay, this is called select options. And yeah, this is the difference between select options and parameter. And I can give full details for description. Watch and subscribe. Thank you.